Welcome back, folks. We got a beautiful 2013 Honda Accord EX here for you today. This is the 4-cylinder automatic trans, power driver seat, factory sunroof, backup camera, premium sounds. Yup, alloys, fantastic gas mileage, unsurpassed reliability. And I tell you, I drove it yesterday, put about 100 miles on this car, and the comfort level is bar none. For the price, the reliability, and the feel, you can't beat this car. Eco button, backup cam, streaming audio, satellite radio, alloyed up, blind spot monitor on the left side. This is the one. Factory fogs. Folks, we got 2 of these in stock. We love to drive them. You'll love them too. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. Bring along a paycheck stub, possible bank statement, and we're in like Flynn. Guaranteed credit approval on this vehicle, and the starting down is going to be $795. This is a 13 Accord EX with a hole. $795 starting down. Warranty included, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Guaranteed credit approval. Bad credit, no credit, starter, it's all good. Come on down, DasCleveland.com.